Imagine scrolling through your phone and suddenly you see a slice of pizza talking to you. Not just moving, actually talking. Then a burger jumps in and starts roasting the pizza. And a donut casually joins the conversation like it owns the internet. Sounds ridiculous, right? Well, I made food talk using AI, and the results are honestly hilarious. Take a look at this.
Hey! I'm not just a slice of pizza. I'm the reason cheat days exist. Whoa! Easy there, pizza. Everyone knows burgers are the real MVP.
Excuse me. Both of you are just jealous because I'm the sweetest one here.
Yep, that's right. Those are not voice actors. They're not animated manually, and I didn't spend hours editing complicated videos. This entire talking food video was created using AI tools in just a few minutes. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own talking pizza, talking burger, talking donut, or even talking fruits. You can literally make bananas give life advice or apples argue with oranges. And honestly, this type of content is going insanely viral right now. So if you're a content creator, YouTuber, or someone who just loves experimenting with AI tools, you're going to love this. Let's start from the very beginning. The first thing we're going to do is generate prompts for our talking food video. For that, open ChatGPT. Once you're inside ChatGPT, look at the left side of the screen and click on Apps. After that, click on GPTs. This section contains thousands of specialized AI assistants created for specific tasks. Now, in the search bar, type AI talking fruit and food health videos. You'll see a GPT designed specifically to generate prompts for talking food and fruit videos. Click on it, then click Start Chat. Now you'll see a prompt box where you can type your request. Here's what we're going to do. Type the following: pizza image and video prompt and dialogues, and then hit Enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate everything you need. It will give you an image prompt to generate the pizza. It will also give you a video animation prompt and, of course, a funny dialogue that the pizza will speak. Basically, the AI does all the creative work for you. Now, let's try another food. This time, type burger image and video prompt and dialogues. Then click Submit. Again, ChatGPT will generate an image prompt for the burger. It will also give you a video animation prompt and, of course, a funny dialogue that the burger will speak. Now let's create one more character. This time, type donut image and video prompts and dialogues and hit Submit. Once again, ChatGPT will generate an image prompt, a video animation prompt, and the dialogue for the donut. At this point, we now have 3 different characters: a pizza, a burger, and a donut, and each one has its own prompt and dialogue. Now it's time to turn those prompts into actual images. For this step, we're going to use Grok AI. Open Grok AI in your browser. On the left side panel, click on Imagine. Before generating anything, make sure to change the aspect ratio. Select 9:16. This is very important because we want the video to be in vertical format. Vertical videos perform best on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for the pizza, then return to Grok AI. Paste the prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Within a few seconds, Grok will generate multiple pizza images. Some may look funny, some may look realistic, some may even look like a Pixar-style character. Choose the one you like the most, then click Download to save it to your computer. Now, repeat the same process for the burger. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the burger image prompt, return to Grok AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Again, Grok will generate multiple burger images. Pick your favorite one and download it. Finally, do the same thing for the donut. Copy the donut image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Grok AI, generate the images, and download the one you like the most. Now you should have 3 images saved on your computer: a pizza image, a burger image, and a donut image. Now comes the most exciting part: turning these images into talking videos. For this step, we're going to use Google Flow. Open Google Flow in your browser. Once the page loads, click on New Project. Now you'll see a workspace where you can start creating your AI video. Click on the plus icon, upload the pizza image you downloaded earlier. Once the image is uploaded, select the video option. Then change the aspect ratio to portrait and choose X1 for one video output. Now go back to ChatGPT again, copy the video prompt and the dialogue for the pizza, return to Google Flow, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and click Generate. Now Google Flow will animate the pizza and make it speak the dialogue. In just a few seconds, your pizza will literally start talking.
Hello, I'm Pizza. When you eat me, your stomach starts breaking me down using powerful digestive acid.
If the dialogue doesn't finish completely in the generated clip, don't worry. Google Flow allows you to extend the video. Simply click Extend and the AI will continue the animation. Now let's create the burger video. Click the plus icon again, upload the burger image, then go back to ChatGPT, copy the burger video prompt and dialogue, paste it into Google Flow, and click Generate. Now your burger will start talking as well. You'll see the burger moving slightly while delivering the dialogue. And honestly, this is where things get really funny, because now you can combine multiple talking food characters in one video. Finally, let's create the donut video. Click the plus icon again, upload the donut image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the donut video prompt and dialogue, paste it into Google Flow, and click Generate. Now your donut will come to life and deliver its dialogue. At this point, you have 3 different AI-generated talking food videos: a talking pizza, a talking burger, and a talking donut. You can combine these clips together in any video editor. Add sound effects, add background music, and suddenly you have a hilarious short video that looks like an animated comedy skit. The crazy part is that this entire process takes just a few minutes, and you don't need animation skills, you don't need expensive software, and you definitely don't need a big production team. AI is doing almost everything for you. And the best part is that you're not limited to just pizza, burgers, or donuts. You can also create talking fruits. Imagine a banana giving motivational advice, or an apple arguing with a pineapple, or a strawberry talking about healthy eating. The possibilities are honestly endless. This type of content works really well on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok because people love funny, unexpected content, and seeing food talk is definitely unexpected. If you're experimenting with AI content creation, this is one of the easiest and most fun ideas you can try. Now, I'm really curious to know what you think about this tool. Have you ever tried creating talking food videos before? And which character should I try next? A banana, an avocado, or maybe a talking coffee cup? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more amazing AI tools like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because I regularly share powerful AI tools that can help you create content faster and easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.